Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tech tutorial. If you're an iPhone or iPad user who's tired of getting unexpected notifications even when you're in focus mode, this video is for you. The Notify Anyway feature lets certain contacts or apps bypass your Do Not Disturb settings, but turning it off can give you the peace you need. Today, we'll walk through the steps for iOS in 2025, making it super simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, grab your device and unlock it. Open the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing all your iPhone or iPad preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Focus. This section manages modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, or Sleep, helping you stay focused without interruptions. Now, select the specific focus mode you want to tweak. For example, if it's your Do Not Disturb mode, tap on that to enter its settings. You'll see options for people and apps. These control who or what can notify you anyway. Under the People tab, look for Allow Notifications From. If there are contacts listed, tap on them and remove any you don't want to bypass your focus mode. This ensures no one can notify anyway. Then, head to the Apps tab. Here, check if any apps are set to override your focus settings. Simply toggle them off or remove them from the allowed list to block notifications completely. Once you're done, exit the Settings app and test it out. Put your device in the focus mode you adjusted and have someone try to message you. If everything's set right, those notifications should be silenced. And there you have it. That's how you turn off Notify Anyway on your iPhone or iPad in 2025. This simple tweak can make a big difference in your daily routine. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.